Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will make this robotics car, and this car also control this Wi-Fi in my mobile. And first of all I will need this many parts: 4 bow motor and 4 wheel, and I fix the 4 bow motor a plastic board and soldering the positive and negative, and follow this circuit diagram, don't worry. And next I will connect this motor driver L298N and one module ESP8266 module to connect to these procedures. You can follow. And next I will connect to motor driver to ESP8266 pin to few jumper wires to connect. And next I will connect this battery supply, and this battery is a lithium ion and 3.7 plus 3.7, so I will use the maximum to 8 volt, and to connect to motor driver 12 volt pin to ground pin attached, and I will connect this small switch to attach. I will upload this code to ESP8266, and now I will connect this Wi-Fi module and this app to control this car to this, and now I will the power supply in the ESP8266 5 volt to connect. Now almost this project will done, and you can see this mobile control this car, and 360 rotated this robotics car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.